Sharon, you lent your daughter a significant amount of money, £4,300, over a period of roughly 4 years. Ordinarily, where mum lends a daughter money, it is never enforceable in court because there's no enforceable contract. On every occasion that you lent your daughter money, you got it in writing, which was a terribly sensible thing to do. The problem is the extent to which these documents are worth the paper that they're written on. And that, madam, is a very complicated thing. The first amount of money that you lent to your daughter was £1,200. I'll call that Agreement 1. You signed that in circumstances where, at the time, I believe and accept it was not clear to mum that you were on drugs or the extent of your problems, and that she reasonably anticipated that you would get a job within a reasonable period of time. You lent your daughter £1,200 and you're entitled to that money back. I turn to Agreement 2. At the end of 12 months, Sharon, you were on notice that there was a very good chance that Emma either had problems or did not intend to honour anything that you put in writing. Despite that, you got her to sign a further agreement in 2013 for a further £1,200. Having considered all the facts in this case, I have to consider what a reasonable cut-off point is for you to say, enough is enough, I'm going to enforce the contract I've got and stop giving you money. I deem that to be 18 months. It seems to me that although you might have a legally enforceable agreement in 2013 for 12 months, it should have been eminently obvious to you after 6 months that she had no intention of getting a job. At the time those further 3 agreements were signed, it was quite clear to me that Emma was either using drugs, or it should have been clear to you. It was quite clear that she had no intention to pay, and that, on any view, you knew or ought to have known that she was prepared to sign anything. I can't award you anything in respect of those further 3 agreements. It was time to stop after 18 months. In law and in principle. Therefore, your claim today is for £4,300. I can only award you the debt relating to 18 months in those first 2 agreements. This court awards you £1,800.
Sharon was awarded just £1,800 of her original claim.